Welcome back to my channel. Today I am finally getting to something, you guys, that I have wanted to do for forever. I have been collecting mini ears for years. I have at least like 10, okay? Every trip I go on, I get a pair. It's just like what I do. My daughter's doing it now too. We like to match sometimes. I was at the Dollar Tree today and they have these removable hooks, like an adhesive hook. These were actually incredibly strong. I was impressed. I put one up, can you see it? And it's just really strong, which I was kind of worried about because it's from the Dollar Tree. I think these are a great option, super cheap. I got 10 of them and I was just gonna lay it out in my office because I'm trying to make this my little Disney office, make it extra special. So I'm gonna put my collection up here and I'm probably gonna do like 3 across or maybe 4 across. I don't know. I might even have more than 10. Let's see how it's gonna look. So I will be measuring and spacing them out appropriately. It's gotta be perfect. So let's do that. I definitely would love to encourage you to do the same. These are $1.25 for 2. It's just magical, really. It's cheap magic, okay? That is what it is. And then I can showcase all of these beautiful ears and then I don't have to worry about my cats or anything happening to these fabulous things that I love collecting. So I'm just gonna share my little collection with you. From the Walt box, I have an unboxing of this video if you wanted to see. It's like the Christmas stuff. So I have these reindeer ears. The pink, I'm assuming kind of Aurora Sleeping Beauty-ish. Not really sure who this went with. Character-wise or princess-wise, this is for sure Cinderella and Cinderella's Castle. I love this one, especially because it's kind of like neutral and goes with like everything you put it with pretty much. This is like another Cinderella. This is just straight up mini. Love this. My daughter actually has a matching pair of these. My daughter and I had the matching Ariels and I lost it on the Go Coaster, so this is actually hers. And then I got a special one like 2 years ago for It's a Small World, and it was like an anniversary for It's a Small World. My daughter's collection is growing and we might be putting hers up on this wall too. I'm not sure yet, but this is the matching mini that she has. Encanto, Lion King, I love this one. This was hers last year, Space Mountain, and you should go check out her video because she has a whole Disney vlog and she buys these ears and it's really fun. I'm gonna link that below. Shout out to Willow. The Pinocchio painting set. This is super cute. And this was also hers last year from the Disney Eats collection, and it's the donut ears, and these are so cute and like, hi, knock knock, a little bit hard. I love these. So we probably will feature all of these on the wall. Oh yeah, and I got these last year and I love these. These are my mini ones. So let's get to it. So with my calculations, I've come to determine that I'd like about 3 inches of spacing between the ears, just so it's not like really spaced out. And then it's roughly like 5 inches from the middle of the bow to the edge of the ear. And then I'm just gonna center my little hook, pop it up there. The back of this hook is like a solid adhesive strip. Ta-da! So now we have 2 across. And then I'm just gonna do the whole wall. I'm just pushing it super hard. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love it so much. It came out just how I wanted it. My office looks amazing. It totally looks Disneyfied. I highly recommend this. It was dirt cheap. It seriously is just exuding magic, and I absolutely love being around my collection, especially when I'm video editing for my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like this video if this was helpful for you and you can make something beautiful and magical in your own office or your home. Please do, and comment below and take pictures and show me. See you next week.